Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can change profile theme in Steam. So guys, if you're trying to change the theme of your profile in Steam but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Just look at the top right corner where you can see your avatar. Just go ahead and tap there. And now, right at the top, you can find View Profile. Just go ahead and tap here. And now, after you do that, you can see many options over here about yourself. But since we're trying to change the profile theme, you just need to tap on Edit Profile. Guys, once you're here, now you're in your general of your profile. So just scroll horizontally to define theme. So right between mini profile and favorite group, you can find theme right here. So guys, now just select the theme that you want. So let's say you want the cosmic theme. Just go ahead and tap on cosmic and tap on save. Guys, in this way, you can successfully change the profile theme. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.